Our first category is for Educator of the Year, Tangata Whenua. So this award recognises Māori educators for their outstanding service in and contribution to the development and delivery of ACE. It is intended to be a tribute for their outstanding work in teaching, training, administration, and a combination of these. So I'm going to invite our award winner for 2022, Charmaine Tukua. Our beautiful Charmaine, her papa is here tonight. Charmaine is a great connector of people, gaining a range of skills and qualifications, studying at ara, Tikanga and Te Reo Ma. Charmaine is a kaitiaki of sector knowledge related to the development of adult literacy in Aotearoa, especially as it applies to Māori.
Tēnā koutou. The meaning of receiving this award has left me honoured and humble to be able to receive this award. I don't receive this reward for myself, but I receive this reward for many. And in saying that, it takes a village to bring up our children. So there were many nominators for myself, and I was very humbled. I'd like to firstly start with acknowledging literacy Aotearoa. So Bronwyn Yates, Bruce, George, Garland Tonahi. I'd like to dedicate this to the late Jodie Maniapoto as one of my mentors, and that is why Bruce George is here tonight to represent them. I would like to acknowledge Jennifer Lay. Jennifer has come to represent many hats, and those hats are Ako, Wea Canterbury, Rising Home, Literacy Christchurch and Literacy Aotearoa Christchurch, alongside of Ako. Annalise is already here, so she represents ACE, and I'm very lucky enough to have brought my dad. My dad represents my late mum, my late husband and my late brother, and they have all passed. So my dad represents my whānau. I've come tonight to humbly receive this award. I stand here tonight to represent Waitaha Trust, Ngā Peka Mātauranga, CPIT, Ara Institute of Canterbury, and where my heart lays at the moment is Te Puna Wānaka. For those from there, I'd like to dedicate this award to Whaia Eva. I'd like to acknowledge Hemi Hoskins and Hepari Harris. As I said, e hara taku toa e te toa takitahi, engari he toa takitini. I therefore thank everybody and I'm humbled and honoured to receive this award. Nā te aroha, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou katoa.